Okay, welcome to...
The election is a very important process for all the candidates. We know that they've invested in this process, and the presidential candidates specifically need to be alive to the fact that there are critical issues that will emerge in the event that there is no outright winner with 50+1 in the first round. And just an interpretation of the law to help them understand is that if in the first round there is no outright winner with 50+1, the first three candidates will go for the second round. Now, if in the second round where there are three candidates, still we don't get 50+1, then we'll eliminate the candidate who ranks third. And then the first two candidates will go for the third and final round, which essentially will be a simple majority win.